Hey guys, Tyrone Farmer again, and on today's special, I'm gonna do something a little different. I want to make some chicken, but I want to make it my way. Make sure we're perfectly recording. We are. So everybody has this thing about making chicken. I want to do it the way I want to do it, not the way everybody else is gonna do it, but the way I'm comfortable with. So I've had this chicken breast. It's 4 pieces here, brining all night with some salt and basically some sour pickle juice. And I'm gonna strain the rest of the water off. But I've had it, like I said, since going yesterday. And I finally took it out the Frigidaire. So I'm gonna do it the way I want to do it, not the way the world expects, the way I want it. And I'm gonna do some spicy and some mild. So get my seasonings ready here for you cats. I got my onions over here caramelizing. So I'm gonna add me some garlic, and trust me, it is strong. But don't need too much. Bam. And then we're gonna open this sucker up right here. We're gonna be hands-on, real hands-on today. Because I feel like the only way you can really cook is when you're directly hands-on. Food tastes better. Got my powder. Get nice up in there. So far we got garlic. And we got onion. Next, I want me some paprika on mine. So I don't know about you. Get some color in that red paprika. Give me some Cajun going. Get my little Cajun, darling. Cajun, bam. Give me some pepper. And then over here, got my dry mix, right? Same thing I did here, I'm gonna do over here. But I'm gonna start off one section. I got me some pepper. Another section. Got me some garlic, onion powder, sorry. Another section. Got some of that Cajun in there. Got me some paprika. And I'm gonna get this. I wasn't gonna use it, but screw it. I'm gonna use some of this garlic and salt. I'll show you guys. No! Leave it down there. Life. I'm gonna show you really fast. So far, Cajun, pepper, paprika, salt and garlic, and onion powder. Now I'm gonna get this mixed on up. Perfect way, mix it on up. Yeah, get it in there. Labor of love. Excuse me guys, I'm about to check my onions. Got them caramelizing as I said before. Want them to get a little smoke, but not too much smoke on them. A little more color and they'll be ready to move about. Got my oil heating over here because I want everything to be ready. Now, as I said before early on, I'm going to do a couple of these are going to be mild, a couple going to be spicy, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So while that's mixed in, get it mixed in some more. I'm going to show you guys. That's how we're looking so far. But the next step is I'm going to get it nice and well mixed in. Smells good so far. I'm going to separate 2 of these. 1, 2, put 1 of these over here, 2 of these over here. The other thing is I need, so I got to wash my hands. Give me a proper spoon. Another ingredient I meant to make mention about. Get some starch in here. Nice amount of starch. Give it my starch. Move this back over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix these dry mixes in. And the last thing we need, some brown sugar. Brown sugar, baby. 2.5 teaspoons of brown sugar. Mix it in. I'm gonna show you guys in a moment after I get this thoroughly mixed in. Tell those onions are ready to come off. Perfect. Move this in my set plate. Make sure nothing's on here because I don't want my cheese to melt. Not yet anyway. Put my caramelized onions right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you my station I'm getting ready for you. Almost there. Alright, so I was checking my oil. Oil's feeling good. Right over here. Show you what I got. So, this is my mixture right here. I got my garlic salt. I got my onion powder. Got me some Cajun. Got me some ground paprika. Added me some starch into it and some brown sugar. You know, like I said, I was gonna make a couple of these spicy. So I'm gonna use some of this hot sauce on a couple of them. Mix up into there. I'm gonna let those set for a moment. Last but not least, because I want to do this the Thai way, not anybody else way but my way, I'm gonna give me a good old egg right over here. Get it cracking. Put some of that egg right there. Get it mixed on in. Oh yeah. Some of that yolk into there. Put some of that egg over here. Yolk over there. Now we're gonna labor or love it. We're gonna get this nice and mixed together. Oh yeah. Take your time. Get it moved out the way proper. Mixed in, mixed in, mixed in. Now I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna dip the other. Take my time with it. Flip these back and forth. Get it all nice and battered up. Flip it again, nice and battered. I'm gonna take it, mix it back in that egg wash one more time. Get it dipped again. Take this out, get it back in that little bit of egg wash that's left. Get it mixed up into our dry mixings here. Gonna flip this one around too. Now taking my time because I don't want to hurt myself. Get it into the oil. Mix this one right into the oil. Oh yeah. Now while that's going on, get my hands a bit cleaned off so I can get ready for the next step. Just remember, we're making a couple of these spices. Get my good old, oh yeah. While that's going, move some items around, put that in my sink. Move some other items around. And sink. Around, brown sugar. Back and forth out. There we go. I am not burning myself today. Got it. Got this handy dandy. Put this stuff in here. Alright. So, kind of messy, but that's okay. It's going to taste good in the end of the day. So I'm going to show you what I got here so far. So this is the hot sauce with some eggs so far. Now we're going to get it nice and mixed in. Make a couple of these spicy. Oh yeah, get that nice and labored in. Spread that flour around. I'm gonna set it right up in that flour. Actually, flip it around. Do the same thing for the next one. Right up in that flour. Flour nice and mixed in. Make sure every part of that chicken is battered on up. Oh yeah. That's what you're gonna do. You You might as well do it to the fullest of your ability, right? That looks great, but I'm gonna get this tossed into here. Rinse my hands off. Get ready to show you how this chicken's looking so far, guys. It smells great. Get that brown onto it. Oh yeah. Move some items around, clean it up for you guys, because this is looking a mess, but guess what? It's smelling great. Let me show you what this chicken is looking like. Bring you over here with me. I'm gonna get up in here. Nice and slowly, be nice and careful. Turn that heat down a little bit. About turn that heat down. That's all right. I'm gonna get back over here. Show you what. These are just waiting to go in. But while we're waiting, we're gonna get everything else started situated. Now, I did a video the other day where I made some McDoubles and I made my own mac sauce. So it's a pleasure when I put this together. Started out simple, rinse me a spoon off. Bring me a plate around. Do the buns. Now these buns are pre-toasted before this video to save a little bit of the trouble and the time. So I'm gonna give it a nice little mix. Again, get a nice amount of this mac sauce on the bread. I like it on the top and the bottom. Yeah, like put our fish out and the chickens out. Pretty springy. Put more time on it. Come back over here to you folks. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I've already got some mac sauce on my buns here. So I'm gonna start out simple. I'm gonna put me some onion, caramelized. I'm gonna add me some, actually I'm just gonna do that for now. Onion on the bottom for now, keeping it simple for you guys. The next step is I'm gonna get my butt back over here and put this chicken inside the strainer. And I'm gonna bring my spiciest chicken and get that started. I'm about to bring the spicy chicken over. Get it in here. Here we go. That's already dipped. They're gonna cook on up. While that's cooking, chicken over. I'm gonna get that on its bun. So, show you guys real fast. This is the chicken on its bun. I like mine a little dark. If you like yours light, you do what you want with yours. But I'm gonna go on and add me some pickle. Some pickle on the other. Okay. Add me some tomato. Some tomato. I like cheese. Add me some cheese on my buns. Want me some more of this caramelized onion on the top. Caramelized onion on the top. Get me some good old lettuce. Spread across. And because I can and I want to, a little more of that mac sauce. Show you what that sauce is looking like. And now I'm gonna put the buns on top. Spread them out so you can see it. So, hey guys, that is my version of a chicken sandwich. But before I'm going, I'm gonna show you what the spiciest chicken's looking like. Be careful. Turn that heat back up a little bit. I use an electric stove. Give it a flip. I want to be careful because I got that egg mixed into there. Well, alright guys, I'm about to give it a slice so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So. That's what we look like on the inside, guys. Nice and steamy, but it smells delicious.